In this video, I'll show you how to use Forge a weapon codes in Roblox. So to get started, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and then use the search bar to search for Forge a weapon. So this game is found on Roblox. And then once you find it, click on it, and then once you're in here, click on the play button, and this will redirect you into Forge a weapon. So in here, to be able to redeem codes in Forge a weapon, as you can see, you cannot find a redeem code tool. So to be able for you to redeem your codes, you need to use the chat feature, which you'll find at the top left of your screen. So you need to click on the chat feature, and then once you click on it, you need to enter on the message section /codes, and then enter the code that you want to redeem. So for example, I want to redeem a code on Forge a weapon. I just need to click on the chat icon at the top left and then enter here /codes space the code that I want to redeem. And then after that, Forge a weapon would immediately allow me to redeem that item into my account, and that is how you can basically use Forge a weapon codes in Roblox.